Hello students, welcome to the Sapna's Homeschooling YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve 1.2 an encounter of a special kind lessons English workshop. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. नमस्कार विद्यार्थ्यांनो, माझं नाव आहे सपना टीचर आणि पुणे जिल्ह्यातून आहे. तुम्ही कोणत्या भागातून माझा व्हिडिओ बघता मला नक्की कळवा. First question, state whether you agree or disagree with the following statements. Justify your choice with proper reasons. म्हणजे खाली दिलेल्या वाक्यांशी तुम्ही सहमत किंवा असहमत असाल तर तुम्ही त्याचं स्पष्टीकरण द्यायचं. ए, द कंपाउंड वेअर द रायटर वॉज लिव्हिंग रिच इन नेचर्स बाउंटी. म्हणजे जे कंपाउंड मध्ये लेखक राहत होता तो निसर्ग संपन्न असं वातावरण होतं. आन्सर आहे आय ॲग्री विथ दिस स्टेटमेंट ॲज द कंपाउंड वेअर द रायटर वॉज लिव्हिंग वॉज लक्झरियस विथ ग्रीन ग्रास, कलरफुल फ्लावर्स अँड अ होस्ट ऑफ tall and majestic trees. Holidays provide us an opportunity to read various magazines and storybooks. म्हणजे सुट्टी आपल्याला असा वेळ देते की जिथे आपण मॅगझीन किंवा स्टोरी बुक्स वाचू शकतो. आन्सर आहे आय ॲग्री विथ दिस स्टेटमेंट ॲज ड्युरिंग द हॉलिडेज वी डू नॉट हॅव टू वरी अबाउट स्कूल स्टडीज और एनी होमवर्क. This gives us time to read various magazines and storybooks as per our interest. C. The narrator made a mistake by saving the baby langur. म्हणजे त्या लेखकाने चूक केली का त्या बाळाला वाचवून. तो उत्तर आहे I do not agree with this statement. If the narrator did not save the baby langur, then the male adult langur would have surely killed the baby, as is the custom in some animals where the dominant male usually does not allow another male baby or adult to survive within its group. Animals cannot convey emotions. म्हणजे प्राणी आपल्या भावना व्यक्त करू शकत नाही. उत्तर आहे आय डू नॉट ॲग्री. मी काही सहमत नाही वाक्याशी. विथ दिस स्टेटमेंट इवन दो एनिमल्स मे नॉट बी एबल टू स्पीक आवर लँग्वेज, दे कॅन कन्वे देअर इमोशन्स थ्रू जेस्चर्स, आय कॉन्टॅक्ट अँड ओव्हरऑल बिहेवियर अराउंड अस. ई, द नरेटर वॉज 55 years old when this incident occurred. हा प्रसंग जेव्हा घडला तेव्हा लेखक 55 वर्षाचा होता. Answer, I do not agree with this statement. The incident happened 55 years ago when the narrator was 15 years old. म्हणजे हा प्रसंग घडला तेव्हा लेखक फक्त 15 वर्षाचा होता. Match the following phrases given in the group A with their meaning in group B. म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला माहिती आहे तुम्हाला की कंपल्सरी तुम्हाला लँग्वेज स्टडीच्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये फ्रेज सेंटेन्स मध्ये कन्स्ट्रक्ट करायला असते. पण तुम्हाला या फ्रेजेसचा अर्थ माहिती असेल तर तुमच्यासाठी सेंटेन्स कन्स्ट्रक्ट करणं खूप सोपं जाईल. ओके, आपण आता थेट उत्तरांकडे वळूयात. आन्सर आहे टू बी पार्ट अँड पार्सल ऑफ, टू बी अँड इसेन्शियल ऑर इंटिग्रल पार्ट. बी, टू बी अन एन्ग्रॉस्ड इन. आन्सर, टू बी कम्प्लिटली ऑक्युपाइड इन. सी, टू टेक नोटिस ऑफ. आन्सर, टू ऑब्झर्व अँड गिव्ह अटेन्शन. डी, टू फिगर आउट. आन्सर, टू बी एबल टू सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लेम. ई, टू पॉन्डर ओव्हर. आन्सर, टू थिंक अबाउट सिरियसली. F, to be overwhelmed by. Answer, to be affected emotionally in a powerful way. G, in a flash. Answer, very quickly. H, to find a solace. Answer, to find comfort and peace. Third question, write in your own words. तुमच्या शब्दात उत्तर लिहायचंय. A, why did the narrator ignore the barking of dogs? म्हणजे लेखकाने कुत्र्यांकडे दुर्लक्ष का केलं? Answer, the narrator ignored the barking of dogs because he was engrossed in his book. Initially, he thought the dogs were after a helpless pig. B, why did Mother Langur make no effort to grab her baby from the coop? Answer, the Mother Langur made no effort to grab her baby from the coop because she was convinced no harm was being done to her baby. Second, she also realized the narrator was caring for her baby by providing first aid and food. Question number 4. Read the text carefully and arrange the occurrence happening in the text in a sequential order. म्हणजे कसा कसा प्रसंग घडला त्याप्रमाणे आपल्याला त्याला नंबर द्यायचे. करेक्ट ऑर्डर गिवन बिलो. सगळ्यात पहिलं 6 नंबर येणार. आय वॉज एन्ग्रॉस्ड इन व्हेरियस मॅगझिन्स अँड स्टोरी बुक्स. 5, आय बिकेम डीपली एब्सॉर्ब्ड इन द बुक. थर्ड, आय हर्ड द डिस्टर्बन्स अप्रोचिंग क्लोजर. 10, आय सॉ समथिंग हॉरिबल. 4, आय रिकॉल्ड द टेरिबल कस्टम इन द एनिमल क्लॅन. 9, I gathered a stout stick and they started throwing stones. 12, I managed to catch hold of the baby langur's tail. 1, I took the baby langur to the backyard. 7, I offered him a peeled banana. 13, I allowed the mother access to her baby. Second, I cannot forget the look in her eyes. 11, I was sure that food was not the only means of communication. 8. I still fondly remember that encounter. Question number 5. Discuss the following and write about it in your own words in 5 to 6 lines. A. What would you do if you found an injured bird while returning from your school? घरी परतताना, शाळेतनं घरी जाताना एखादा जखमी पक्षी भेटला, तुम्ही काय कराल? उत्तर. If I found an injured bird while returning from school, first I would pick the bird up and get it to my home. I would then try to provide first aid on the bird's injured part and check if it can move its parts properly. I would also try to feed the bird some food and provide water. If the bird is still not able to move properly, I would ask my parents to take us to vet so that the bird could get proper medical attention. B. What opinion do you form about the narrator from the story? Uttar. I feel the narrator was a kind and caring person. He could have easily ignored the barking of the dogs and continued with the reading his books. However, when he found out about the baby langur being mercilessly attacked by the adult male langur, he ensured he helped the baby survive and scare the bad langur away and give him medical treatment. All this showed the kind and caring nature of the narrator. Question number 6. Complete the following and write paragraph on each of the given activities. Mother-child relationship. So, love and affection, bonding and caring, protection, warmth and supportive. Now the paragraph. Mother-child relationship is one of the most special relationships in the world. The love and affection between a mother and her child is incomparable to any other relationship. No one can care for their children like a mother, and this forms an unique bond between the mother and child. Children also continuously look for protection as well as support from their mother as they grow and well into their adult life as well. The warmth of the mother and child relationship is truly something to celebrate. B. Injured animals. How will you help? Provide first aid, clean the wound, provide water, food, provide shelter, take to vet. Answer. Paragraph मध्ये लिहायचं. When an animal is injured, we must do our best to care for them. Firstly, we need to ensure they are given first aid as soon as possible. The injured part or wound needs to be cleaned before applying any kind of medicine. We also need to provide both food and water so that the animal does not become too weak and is able to get better soon. If possible, we must provide shelter to the animal till it is able to move around on its own. If the injury is severe, we should take the animal to the vet so that they can get professional medical assistance. Question number 7. Work in pairs and make as many words as you can using letters in the word encounter. The encounter या शब्दापासून वर्ड तयार करायचे. ह्याच्यावर तर 100% प्रश्न असतो. आन्सर बघा. 3 letter words 10, net 1, caught, not, cut, tone, run. 4 letter words tour, noun, con, tree, taunt, teen, troop, send. 5 and 6 letter words enter, enter, count, center, court and route. Question number 8. जनसेवा हीच ईश्वर सेवाला म्हणणार. सोशल सर्व्हिसेस टू सर्व्हिस टू गॉड अँड पेरावे तसे उगवतेला म्हणणार. रीप ॲज यू सो. हे सुद्धा तुम्हाला ट्रान्सलेशनला येते. याची प्रॅक्टिस करा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. राईट अ पॅराग्राफ अँड गिव्ह एन अप्रोप्रिएट टायटल टू इट. यूज द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स. सो आपल्याला खालचे मुद्दे घ्यायचे आणि त्याच्यावर आपल्याला पॅराग्राफ लिहायचं आहे. बर्ड अँड ॲनिमल्स, लॉयल्स, सर्व्हर्स, काइंडनेस, ऑनेस्ट, कंपॅशन, loneliness, avoided, do not hurt or destroy us, protection and security are best friends, love and affection. Title. Our relationship with our animals, friends. Okay. The relationship between humans and animals kingdom, including birds, is a special relationship. Although birds and animals may not be able to communicate in words, they can do so using gestures and eye contacts. Unlike what may people believe, animals do not hurt or try to destroy us just like that. In fact, they are usually extremely loyal and have love and affection for us in their hearts. Some animals can be our best friends by being there for us, provide protection and security, and help us avoid loneliness by always being around. In fact, animals serve us in several ways in which we do not even come to know. In our daily lives, we owe it to our animals friends to have a relation with them that is full of kindness, honesty and compassion. Question number 10. Complete the remaining blocks determining all the types of news. Okay. So type of news are business, finance, entertainment, politics and national and international level. B. Read the following headline and write a news report. Follow the steps as given. So headline, Tiger attack 8-year-old to Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Deadline, Monday 1st May 2023. आता डेट ही तुम्ही तुमच्या पत्र लेखन न्यूज लेखन करण्याच्या दिवसाप्रमाणे चेंज करू शकता. याला काही कंपल्शन नाही, तीच डेट पाहिजे. जर डेट मेन्शन केली असेल तर ती डेट टाका. 1st May 2023, New Delhi. Lead line. In a shocking incident, an 8-year-old girl was attacked by a tiger at the Rajiv Gandhi National Park in New Delhi. आता body म्हणजे मूळ काय बातमी बघा. As per eyewitnesses, the little girl was leaning against the fences of the tiger enclosure with the face cracked and she slipped through them inside where the tiger was nearby. It seemed the tiger itself was startled by this and ended up attacking the girl. Luckily, before any serious harm could be done, the authorities stepped in and managed to subdue the tiger. Although the authorities reacted quickly, the safety of visitors to the Rajiv Gandhi National Park was called into question. As a number of untoward incidents, the park has been going up. In the past few years, the injured girl was taken to the National Medical Hospital nearby where doctors are treating her right now. Question C. Read the following headlines and write the dateline intro short continuing paragraph. Achievers narrate their success stories at career counseling event. Kukengar, student reporter, Monday 1st May 2023, Mumbai. Successful entrepreneurs, sport personalities and artists from all across the country came together to narrate their success stories at the annual career counseling event held at Tata Auditorium. It was a truly inspirational evening for students and aspiring young adults as some of the biggest names in India were on stage narrating their stories from days of struggle to the current success they are enjoying. Some of those present amongst the achievers were Mr. Ganesh Singhania, the founder and CEO of BITS Technologies, Miss Priya Jha, All India Badminton Champion, and Miss Monica Chatterjee, the renowned singer who has won a number of national awards in the past year. All the achievers were given 10 minutes on stage to narrate their stories, and at the end there was a question and answer session held as well. Students attending an event were especially excited as they got to meet some of their role models and felt a number of opportunities had opened up for them. The success of the annual counseling event has now encouraged the organizers to hold more such events all across the country. Now, the India's first ever tourism university to be established by IIHM, Kukengar, it's Uttar आपण लिहितोय. Kukengar, student reporter, Monday 1st May 2023, Mumbai, in an exciting development. For students who dream for making career in the tourism industry, IIHM has announced plans to establish India's first ever tourism university in their campus in Mumbai. The plans for the one of its kind tourism university was unveiled during the IIHM annual function on 30th April 2023. As per IIHM management, the university will be fully operational within a year and admissions will be opened from January 2024. Tourism is one of the fastest growing sectors in India at the moment. According to Mr. Mahesh Jha, Managing Director of IIHM, the scope to tourism of India is vast and the sector as a whole will one of the biggest job creators in the country. Students can opt for a number of courses and specializations within tourist sector. The course will be 2 years and students can also expect companies to hold recruitment drives via campus interviews. There has already been a considerable interest amongst the students to apply for the course if the number of initial enquiries is anything to go by, then IIHM may have to increase the number of seat allotment in the future and even think of establishing more universities across India. So in this way we have finished each and every question. प्रत्येक प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आपण लिहिलंय. काही समजलं नसेल, आवडलं नसेल तर कमेंट करून सांगा. काही आवडलं असेल तेही कमेंट करून सांगा. आणि तुम्हाला कोणता व्हिडिओ हवा आहे तो मला कमेंट करून सांगा, त्याप्रमाणे तुमच्यासाठी व्हिडिओ करून पाठवेल. ग्रामरशी रिलेटेड काही अडचणी असतील तर तेही आपण सॉल्व्ह करूयात. फक्त तुम्ही मला कमेंट करा, त्याप्रमाणे मी व्हिडिओ तुमच्यासाठी तयार केले. भेटूयात नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. धन्यवाद.